Hello everyone, in this video I will cover Gor Circuit of Purulia which I visited recently. Purulia is a well-known tourist destination in West Bengal where you can see confluence of hills, rivers, dams and forest. Also famous for its traditional mask and dance called Chhau. Purulia tour can be conducted in two circuits. Gor Circuit which consists of places in and around Garpanchkot and Ayodhya Circuit around Ayodhya Hill. Best time to visit is winter season, that is November to March second week. In summer the temperatures goes beyond 40 degrees centigrade, hence it is not suitable. In this video we will cover the Gor Circuit. We took 8 am bus to Asansol from Kolkata and after reaching Asansol at 2 pm our resort car picked up us. Our destination is Baranti, a small village beside a large reservoir. Asansol to Baranti is 35 km, approximately 1 hour 15 minutes drive. We checked into Spangle Wings Resort, one of the best in Baranti. The resort is very well decorated and you have options of both AC rooms as well as tents. Food here is very good, tasty and homely, and the staffs are also amiable. They have arranged our entire tour of 4 days and 3 nights, pick up and drop from Asansol at a very reasonable rate. We spent the evening watching the sunset around the lake from the resort's watchtower. You can conduct the tour either staying at Baranti or at Garpanchkot. There are quite a number of hotels in both the places. We chose Baranti because of the scenic beauty around the lake, from where you can get a beautiful view of the sunset. After spending some time around the lake in the early morning, we started for a sightseeing tour after having breakfast. We reached our first spot, Joychandi Hill, and climbing 450 steps, we reached the top. There is a temple of Ma Chandi there. This hill is a major attraction for rock climbing, and Satyajit Ray's famous film Hirak Rajak Deshe was mostly shot here in this region. The 360-degree view from the top is beautiful. Our second and last destination of the day is Bero Hill, another hill famous for rock climbing. You will find a small cave and a temple on the foothill. We reached the resort at around 2 pm and had the lunch. After a quick rest, we walked towards the lake in the evening. The lake is 1 kilometer from resort, which would take around 10 to 15 minutes of walk. It is beautiful to watch the sun setting down beyond the hill in a very calm environment. Today's destination is Shushunia and Biharinath Hill. In the morning, we explored the area around the adjacent forest and set out for Shushunia Hill at around 10 am. It is 1.5 hours drive from Baranti. There is no such proper stairs in Shushunia Hill. You have to trek your way up. There are 3 hills. We climbed the smallest one of 556 meters. The trek is very tiresome and it took around 3 hours for ascending and descending. There are small temporary shops where you can recharge yourselves with some fruits. Our second destination is Biharinath Hill. The way to Biharinath Hill is very beautiful. It is very soothing to see the greenery everywhere. Biharinath Hill is also a trekking hill, but we did not have any energy left after climbing Shushunia. There is a temple on the foothill. Today is the concluding day of the tour. Our first destination is Gorpanchpur. This place is of historical significance. The ruins everywhere are the witnesses of the Bargi attack of 18th century or the Maratha invasions in Bengal. Only Raj Temple is the only monument here which is now intact. Else everywhere you can see the ruins of temples and palaces around. You will find the ruins of Adi or old Kolyaneshwari temple here, which was later shifted to Maithon due to continuous Maratha attack. Our next stops are Panchet and Maithon Dam of DVC, followed by Kolyaneshwari Temple near Maithon. After having the lunch at Koloneshwari temple area, we are dropped at Asansol bus stand at 4 pm and we headed back to Kolkata by 4:30 pm bus. This concludes the tour. Thank you for being with us.